Hi family, so today we are doing pancake. This recipe is based on Goldilocks Bakebook. Half a cup all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup cake flour, half teaspoon baking soda, half teaspoon baking powder, 2 teaspoons sugar, a pinch of salt, and then mix all the ingredients together and just leave or make a hole in the middle to put the wet ingredients. So you need to put 2 tablespoons unsalted butter melted, one-fourth cup of fresh milk, and 1 large egg. So let's mix all the ingredients together until fully incorporated. So do not overmix. And our helper for today is Kuya Vince. It's up to you if you want to use vegetable oil or butter. So do medium heat to low heat. So here we added M&Ms because Vince wanted M&Ms on his pancakes. You could also add fresh fruits, frozen bananas, blueberries or apples, etc. Or you could serve it with whipped butter or maple syrup. So there you go family. So this is pancake based on the Goldilocks Bakebook.
That's so good.
So let me know how it tastes if you decide to do the recipe. Thanks everyone.